Just freaking wow, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So today you join me with Exeter Rider, Mr. Dave, Ken and Saddlebags, and we're about to go green laning. It's gonna be epic. So Saddlebags on the Witch, Ken is on the old R80GS, I love it. Exeter Rider's on the old Sinus, Mr. Dave on the little Honda XR, and me on Pepper. Right, I'll pick you up when we get on the lanes. No, you're good. I'm pretty flexible. Who's leading this merry dance? Are you leading this merry dance? Or Mr. Dave? Where do you want to sit? Where do you want me to go? I'll go next. So guys, we like I say, we're gonna go and do some lanes. Pepper and I are probably the least experienced of everybody here, but you know, every day's a school day and we're here to learn. So I think we're going to do some trails that I've done before, but the whole idea is that we take on the Angel Steps. I'm not gonna lie, they're pretty cheeky apparently. I've seen a couple of videos of the Angel Steps, and yeah, they're a little bit technical, but you know, technical schmechnical. That's not even a word. Anyway, see you in a bit. We're Mr. Dave out front. I've done this one before, so it's not too bad. I'm actually sitting down for a change. Although I prefer standing up, I'm not gonna lie. Excited. I'm a bit I'm a bit heavy on the throttle this morning. Hello, cows. Hello, baby one. Yeah, all good so far, mate. How's that?
Good fun, isn't it?
Yeah. Right, pets. Look ahead, look ahead, look ahead. Don't look at Dave. Look where you want to go. That's the best I've ever done that.
Oh, you're here!
Survived those 2, 3, 4. Oh, this is so much fun. Right guys, so we're venturing into unknown territory now. Ouch, just fly in the eye. Oh wow, look at that view. Saddlebags will be frothing at the mouth. This is a bit of a steep decline. Let the bike do the work. Rocky thing. I don't want to be going up those bad boys. Not just yet with my skills, not just yet. Just giving Dave some space so I don't cannonball him if I get it wrong. This is a beautiful lane though. Beautiful. Wow, absolutely stunning. We're going up it. I'll give it a go. Alright guys, so we've just had a little stop, chat, and that lane we've just been down, we're heading back up. Come on, Marc. Well, that wasn't too bad. Alright, we're back on the road again. We've been off-road and now we're back on the road again. Living the dream. Off-road extreme. Can't think of anything else that rhymes with that. So we're back on another trail. We're just making our way to the nefarious Angel Steps, and yeah, we're just making our way there. I do believe we are here. Alright, let's do this. Let's do this. Alright guys, moment of truth.